Benefits of eating peanuts for patients with high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and clogged arteries. Hello, everyone. Today, we will explore a familiar food with incredible heart health benefits. Specifically, it can help lower high blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and prevent clogged arteries. What is it? It's peanut butter, a food that's not only delicious, but also highly nutritious. 1. Peanut butter and its ability to lower high blood pressure. Peanut butter is a superfood for those mindful of their blood pressure. It is a rich source of potassium and magnesium, two essential minerals that play a key role in stabilizing blood pressure. Potassium is a natural vasodilator that relaxes blood vessels and reduces pressure on their walls. This allows blood to flow more easily, helping to manage high blood pressure gently and naturally. In addition, magnesium is essential in improving blood circulation, ensuring better blood flow, and supporting the heart in functioning steadily and healthily. A tiny amount of peanut butter daily can make a noticeable difference in your body. Enjoy a decadent, creamy, delicious treat while strengthening your heart. What could be better than that? Moreover, peanut butter contains monounsaturated fats, the healthy fats that further improve heart health and help keep blood pressure stable. Even a small daily serving of peanut butter is enough to help you lower your blood pressure gently and safely. 2. Peanut butter helps reduce bad cholesterol. Many people still mistakenly believe that peanuts contain unhealthy fats. However, the truth is that peanut butter is packed primarily with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, the same healthy fats found in almonds and walnuts, which are considered superfoods for heart health. What makes these healthy fats unique is their ability to reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides in the blood, two main culprits responsible for plaque buildup in the arteries. By lowering harmful cholesterol levels, you can significantly reduce the risk of dangerous conditions such as heart attacks and strokes. But that's not all. Peanut butter also contains resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that protects blood vessels and prevents arterial stiffening. This is the key to keeping your blood vessels flexible and strong. Isn't that amazing? You get to enjoy a creamy, delicious treat while naturally and effectively taking care of your heart. So add a little peanut butter to your daily diet and start reaping its incredible benefits today. 3. Preventing clogged arteries. Clogged arteries are a hazardous condition caused by the buildup of bad cholesterol, LDL, and excess fats inside the blood vessels, blocking blood flow. This not only disrupts natural circulation but also significantly increases the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other coronary artery diseases. So, what can peanut butter do? Thanks to its high content of resveratrol, magnesium, and healthy fats, peanut butter is like a silent hero that helps cleanse the arteries and improve blood circulation. In particular, resveratrol stimulates the body to produce nitric oxide, which helps dilate blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily and reducing the risk of artery blockages. Meanwhile, magnesium and healthy fats are vital in keeping the blood vessels flexible and strong, ensuring blood circulates smoothly and naturally. Just imagine, with just a couple of tablespoons of peanut butter daily, you can care for your arteries and strengthen your heart. A small habit with tremendous results. 4. How to use peanut butter effectively. To fully maximize the incredible benefits of peanut butter, it's essential to use it wisely and thoughtfully. Here are a few tips for you. Choose organic peanut butter. Opt for pure, natural peanut butter that doesn't contain added sugar or industrial oils. This ensures you get all the natural nutrients without unhealthy ingredients that could harm your health. Eat in moderation. 1 to 2 tablespoons daily provides energy and essential nutrients. Avoid overeating to prevent consuming excess calories. Pair it smartly. Peanut butter goes perfectly with fresh apples, celery, or whole grain bread. This makes for an ideal snack, helping you stay full longer, curb cravings, and protect your heart health at the same time. A little peanut butter daily is delicious and a natural and effective way to boost your health. Start this simple, healthy habit today. Peanut butter is a delicious treat, and a fantastic superfood that can lower high blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and prevent clogged arteries. Adding a little peanut butter to your daily diet gives your heart a shield to protect its health in the long run. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones so we can all take care of our health together. Thank you for watching, and I hope you always stay healthy and full of energy.